How to activate your One Bank credit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate your Credit One Bank card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser and simply search for One Bank credit card activation. After you search for that, you'll find your different options right here. So head over to either one. It will just activate your card. So I'll just head over to activate. And after this website loads, you will then need to give it your information. So while this loads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's continue. After you're here, all you have to do is enter your card number, whatever your card number is. And after you enter your card number, your last digits of SSN. So after you type your social security number, the last 4 digits, tap on activate card. And after that, your card will begin the activation. And it's basically that simple, guys. And that's basically all for it. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.